Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I have on review Krisspy. With this platform, you can build designs with help of AI for your mobile, tablet, and desktop applications. Well, not desktop, but web applications. And this is a great tool from the standpoint of the software. However, it has some caveats and some controversial discussions going on regarding the credit system. So I will show you what Krisspy is capable of, and I must say I'm really surprised by the capabilities and the features this tool provides. And at the same time, I will show you the caveats I've mentioned regarding the credit system. So in short, Krisspy will help you to generate these kinds of designs without a designer. You just tell Krisspy what you would like to see, and it will generate that for you. So you don't have to hire a designer. And just a quick preview, these are the screens I've generated. You can export the designs to Figma, and let's explore Krisspy bit by bit. So what features are you getting? As I mentioned before, you just tell AI what kind of application you would like to have, and it will generate you the screens. In my experience, you have to generate screen by screen. It was not giving me, let's say, 5 screens at the same time, but maybe it will have that feature in the future, or it already has that, but I didn't see how to use that. So after you have your screens, you will be able to iterate on the designs on a screen level or on a component level. And this one, I think that's a killer feature. That's a great one. You can bring your existing Figma assets, so you are not limited to the templates provided by Krisspy. I think that's an insane feature. And another great feature is that you can export your designs as full React code base. Well, what does it mean? You can export your designs as fully working application, and if it will be React native, so it will work in mobile, in iPhone and Android phones, and in the web as well. However, this feature is planned. It is not available yet, so I cannot tell you if it's working or how good it will be. It is marked as coming soon. Krisspy will also help you to generate documentation and tasks to actually develop your application. So when you will have your code base generated, I think you will have your screen connected, buttons will be clicked. However, you will need to pass that code base to developers who will add actual logic behind all of those button clicks. So you will actually need to connect data to your application prototype. So with Krisspy, you will be able to create documentation based on the screen designs, and actually you can create tasks and export that to task management system like Jira, which is a popular project management tool. Okay, so now let's go to the controversial part. First of all, you can see that it has pretty good ratings already, and I didn't see a lot of complaints regarding the quality of the software, and the majority of the negative ratings are connected, in my opinion, to the credit system. So in short, we can see the latest question, and the main complaint is that the amount of credits is too low, and recently there were no tier 4 with bring your own key feature. So we can see that now tier 4 is available. It is pricey, but it is there. So once you burn your given monthly credits, which are renewable, you can connect your own API key and continue using the tool. Well, the license tier 4 is pricier, but you are not limited here. Well, there are good things here and bad. Well, the good ones that the developers of Krisspy listened for the feedback from AppSumo community, and despite the fact that they were not planning to bring your own key feature to tier 4, they actually did that. And now, even though for a hefty price, but you have that ability. And regarding the credit system, so what can you expect? Let's say you would like to invest in license tier 3. So you have 2000 monthly credits. So let's see what can you expect to do with that. Here's the detailed explanation how the credit system works. So let's calculate the approximate amount of fully ready screens that you can get with license tier 4. So first of all, you generate a screen. So 10 credits per screen. Let's say on the third iteration, you are good to start working on your screen. So let's say you would like to apply 5 edits to the entire screen. That will add 50 more credits. And let's say you would like to add 3 new components, plus 15. And maybe you would like to iterate 5 times overall on some components, plus 25. And AI enhance, maybe you would like to enhance something here and there 5 times, so plus 10. That's just a rough estimate, so I would say 130 credits you would need to get one screen, maybe less, maybe more, but just on average. And if you have 2000 credits, I think you would be able to get 15 fully designed screens that you can export as pictures, later as code base. So with license tier 3, maybe you can get 15 screens. So is it enough? Is it a lot? Well, I'm not sure, but I'm sure that for $500, you won't be able to hire a designer who can get you fully working prototype. I think that's impossible. So even though it is pricey, I think for the value you're getting, it's still worth it. So just see for yourself if you'd like to invest in this tool. Okay, so now you know how the credit system works. Let's actually get to the demo. And this is the example of the application that I've built. Well, just 2 screens. I was thinking about an application like AI Body Double to help you to set your goals and track your goals. To the right, you can see the first screen that I was given, and I've entered just a basic description, and I was able to enhance the prompt with help of Krisspy. This is pretty good one you can see on the screen. So I generated the screen to the right, you can see, and to the left is one that I've enhanced with help of AI. So now let's generate new screen. To add the calendar view to see the set goals, and let's generate one. Okay, not bad. You can select a particular component and apply the edits. So we can edit entire screen. Let's say we would like to add some buttons. Okay, you can see the buttons edit, but let's apply further edits. Okay, let's tweak further our design. Okay, so it is better now. And let's say you would like to edit a particular component. So you can do that. I would like to have an icon for my button. And yeah, well, almost there. Okay, it didn't work as I expected, but you get the idea. So maybe I need to be more specific. So let's explore further. What can you do with this tool? Well, you can see your designs in other aspects, for example, in tablet view or in a desktop view. So you can generate different kind of designs. What's important, you can play your prototype. So it means you can click here and there. You will be able to see how your prototype might work. You can see the components without a design. Let's go back. So you can ask AI about your prototype. You can select particular components. You can iterate over your designs. You can change themes for your designs. You can see what kind of designs you can expect from Krisspy. And it promises to allow you to bring your own design assets from Figma. You have the option for giving feedback and you can export. So coming soon, download full React codebase. So you will have your designs working as an application. Of course, the developers will need to apply and implement business logic for your prototype, but it can help you to build your applications or websites quicker. However, it is coming soon, and I'm not sure when it will be ready. And you can export your screens as Figma designs. I think that's great. So it is in beta, and for now, you can export only as a desktop, unfortunately. So I tried that previously, so you can actually see different components. So yeah, for now, I didn't see the edit working. So you need to send requests for edit permissions. So I think they might fix that. But anyway, the feature is in beta, but it looks promising. Okay, so that's it for the review of Krisspy. So let me summarize my thoughts. Starting from that, it is graded as AppSumo Select. Not every software which is landing on AppSumo is getting this grade. It is an additional level of protection given from AppSumo team. They apply additional testing, so they give additional trust to the creators of the software marked as AppSumo Select. Regarding feature-wise, I think that's the exact amount of features needed. So you should be able to import your own designs from Figma. You just write few sentences or few words and get design prototypes. You can modify whole screen or particular components, or you can add components. You should be able to export your designs to Figma and as a code base. And there are some additional features like generating documentation and tasks. So yeah, I think overall as a software, it is a great one. Regarding the license tiers and the credit system, just see for yourself if it would fit your needs. Anyway, you can try this tool and you have 60 days to get your refund, no questions asked. So to get Krisspy, please check the link in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.